Hey guys, what's up? This is coming from G&A today. So this is my Ruger Precision Rimfire chambered in 22 LR. Now I've made quite a few videos on this, and one of the big comments that I see on all those videos is, man, if they just made that in 17 HMR, if they made that in 22 mag, I would buy one immediately. Well, today is December 19th, 2018, and Ruger just announced that they are making both of those now. They're making a Ruger Precision in 17 HMR and in 22 WMR. So I saw that they already have them for sale at Sportsman's Outdoor Superstore for like $4.19 a piece, which is a little bit more than what the 22 one is, but not by a lot. This rifle I've shot actually quite a bit now, shot it in several competitions, and it's never been in great conditions, always windy, but this thing has just shot so well. I'm liking this rifle more and more and more. It's just an awesome rifle for the price. And so they're selling both models, one with the 15 round mag and one with a 9 round mag in both chamberings beside the 22. And everything else about the rifles is the same, except on the 22, the scope base is a 30 MOA, and on those new ones, on the 17 HMR and the 22 mag, they are a 0 MOA scope rail base. So that's really the only difference. They have an 18-inch barrel just like this. Same length of pull, I believe. I think everything else is the same trigger. Everything, just the chambering and the scope rail base. So very cool. Definitely be interested in seeing how those perform and possibly picking one of those up. Very, very tempting. This is coming from G&A today. Thanks for watching.